My name is Katie St. Ors, certified financial planner and licensed tax consultant. In this video, we will compare TurboTax, H&R Block, FreeTaxUSA, and 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. Let's get going. Filing taxes can be stressful, and picking the correct tax software can make it worse. You're probably wondering which tax software or service is the best fit for your needs. So after having prepared thousands of tax returns and looking at dozens of tax programs, I narrowed them down to my 4 favorites: TurboTax, H&R Block, FreeTaxUSA, and 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. Depending on your tax situation, you might want to pick one over the other. They all do things a little differently. I'll compare their features, pricing, ease of use, and who they're best suited for. So whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just filing a simple W-2, stick around because this review has got you covered. I will also let you know my top pick for doing a simple tax return, and my top pick if you have a complex return.
Tax season is here and you can file your federal tax return for free at FreeTaxUSA. Yes, federal returns are free and your state return is $14.99. Click the link down below to get started.
First off, they all have some things in common. They all offer to file your taxes for free, as long as you file it yourself and you have a simple return. They will all e-file your taxes. That's good because you will receive your refund quickly. If you mail your tax return, your refund will be delayed by months. They all promise to get you the maximum refund, which they should. And they all offer professional help, but it will cost you extra. First up, TurboTax. TurboTax is one of the most well-known tax software options out there. It's user-friendly, offers step-by-step guidance, and has a range of products for different tax situations, from simple returns to self-employed and small business filings. It also has a strong reputation for accuracy and audit support. They offer everything from do-it-yourself to full service. The pros of TurboTax are that it's intuitive. It's very easy to navigate, even for beginners. They do a very good job of walking you through the tax preparation process. It is very comprehensive and covers a wide range of tax situations. It also offers excellent customer support. They offer various support options like phone, chat, and email. What are the cons? The biggest con is all the upselling. What seems like an endless stream of requests to buy services, you are constantly being asked to add on services, which can be expensive. But if it's a service you need, they do a good job. Paid versions can get pricey, especially for complex returns. There are also limitations on the free version. The free version may not support all tax situations. What starts out as free ends up costing more than having a real live tax professional prepare your taxes. So remember what my grandmother always said, free can cost you a lot of money. Here is a breakdown of their pricing. Next, we have H&R Block. A long-standing player in the industry, H&R Block is another big name in the tax world. They offer both DIY software and in-person tax preparation services. Their software is known for its affordability and ease of use, and they have a price match guarantee. Plus, if you need help, you can visit one of their thousands of physical locations. What are the pros of H&R Block? They have in-person support. If you prefer human interaction, H&R Block offers in-office assistance. It is the only one of these companies to offer in-person services. You also get a wide range of pricing options. You can choose the level of support that best suits your needs. What are the cons? In-office services. Outside of tax season, many offices may have reduced hours or may only be open for specific services, such as year-round tax planning or assistance with IRS notices. So you might have a tough time getting personal help. In-person services can be pricier than online options. The online interface might not be as intuitive as TurboTax for some people. And as with all the companies here, what starts out as free or inexpensive can get very costly.
Taxes stressing you out? Don't worry, 1-800-ACCOUNTANT is here. Expert help, affordable rates. Call 1-800-ACCOUNTANT today and leave the headaches to the tax pros. Click the link below.
Now let's talk about FreeTaxUSA. As the name suggests, it offers a free version for simple tax returns. Federal tax returns are free, but they charge you $14.99 for your state return. Still a great deal. FreeTaxUSA is the clear winner when it comes to affordability. What are the advantages of FreeTaxUSA? They were the top-rated tax software by Kiplinger. Affordable, highly competitive pricing with a free option for your federal return. But remember, they charge you about $15 for your state return. Easy to use and generally user-friendly, especially for those with straightforward tax situations. I also found less upselling than the others. And what are the cons? Their brand recognition. They are not as well known as TurboTax or H&R Block. These two heavyweights are constantly running ads during the tax season. You probably even saw one of their ads during this video. As for pricing, it starts at free. And although there is some upselling, FreeTaxUSA is the clear winner for pricing. This was the last of the do-it-yourself tax software. DIY software is great if you have time and a fairly simple return. But what happens if you have rentals or stock transactions? Or maybe you are a freelancer or small business owner and your finances are getting more complex. In this case, you'll want and need a real, live tax professional to prepare your tax return. Give them your paperwork and info and step back while they do all the heavy lifting. Which brings us to 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. 1-800-ACCOUNTANT does not have a file your own taxes option. You upload your paperwork to them and you get your taxes prepared by a tax professional. This personalized service focuses on providing online tax filing and accounting services for people with more complex tax returns, self-employed individuals, and small businesses. The pros are that you get a real, live, full-time tax professional to do your taxes. The people at 1-800-ACCOUNTANT are available all year round. Another pro is how well they handle complex tax returns. For example, you might have stock transactions, rental properties, investments, inheritance, cryptocurrency trades, gambling winnings, or own a small business. Complex tax scenarios like these require specialized knowledge to navigate effectively. In situations like these, you should not do it yourself. Great for self-employed and small businesses. You will probably need other services which the other DIY companies can't offer. 1-800-ACCOUNTANT provides a wide range of services, including bookkeeping, payroll, expense tracking, and income reporting, which are essential for small businesses. Good customer support. Provides dedicated support for all your tax needs. As for the cons, not the best choice for individual taxpayers with simple returns. Stick with FreeTaxUSA or one of the other DIY companies. There is no face-to-face meeting with your accountant, so if you like meeting in person, this might not be a good fit as their services are predominantly online. As for pricing, there is no free option. You will get a price to prepare your tax return, which usually covers all normal items. If you have a complex return, it's a great deal. Prices start at about $390. To sum everything up, choosing the right tax software depends on your individual needs, your budget, your preferred method of support, ease of use, and how much spare time you have. But my suggestion is that if you have a simple return, FreeTaxUSA is the best choice. Get the pro support for $40. And if you live in a state that requires a tax return, add another $15 to the bill, and for about $55, you get your taxes done. Here is a list of the states that do not require you to do a state tax return, but you should check with your state to make sure. Anything other than a simple return, like anyone on this list, should go with 1-800-ACCOUNTANT.
That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Happy tax season. Goodbye.